Hello, welcome to Speak English Daily.
Do you want to speak English with confidence? You are in the right place.
We make learning English simple, slow, and easy to understand.
For beginners, A1 and A2.
We have 3 types of videos for you.
First, long conversations, 8 to 10 minutes, perfect for learning slowly.
Second, shorts, 40 seconds each, perfect for practicing every day.
Third, playlists. Learn topic by topic. Airport, restaurant, supermarket, and more.
All videos use simple English, slow pace. Repeat after us.
You will learn English for real life.
At the airport, travel with confidence.
At the restaurant, order food like a pro.
At the supermarket, shop without stress.
And more coming soon. Hotel, work, hobbies, directions, and meeting new people.
All for beginners, all free.
So, if you are ready to improve your English,
Click the subscribe button right now.
and click the bell to never miss a new lesson.
Let's learn English together every day.
Welcome to Speak English Daily. Bye-bye.